if you're new, or if you're returning, welcome. My name is Crystal, and as you can see by the title of this video, we are going to get into this TikTok viral bonding spray, lace spray. So this is what it looks like. It's called Lace Filter. I believe this is by Labadi Hair. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm going to say Labadi Hair. And it said this is an extreme melt and bonding spray. Now, I wish I would have known that when I ordered this, because I had to pre-order because it was completely sold out, that I should get the lace remover. But they said you can use water as like a substitute as far as getting the wig off. It's just going to be a little harder. That's what they say. So I guess when I take the wig off, I'll probably hop back on another video and just show you how the removal process is. Just using water to try to remove the wig. But I'm going to insert a clip of the TikTok, one of the many viral TikTok videos, so you guys can see how the spray works, and let's hope it works for me. So go ahead and watch that.
Hey, I do this for real. And side note, I do this for a living and for fun. So when you ask me what I do for fun, this, and I ain't practicing. I might be learning, but I ain't practicing. I work off a very simple premise. I work like ain't no tomorrow.
Alright, y'all, so I got one of my very old faithful wigs that I'm going to try this spray on. So yeah, like I said, this is one of my good old faithful wigs. Nice, full, thick. So we're going to go ahead and put her on. Go ahead, put her on. Sorry, y'all. Let me get my little mirror. So, the lace is crazy on this wig. I don't know, y'all. Let me finesse the front of this wig real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I just pretty much just kind of like cut the front piece. Look like I'm gonna need to pluck, but I'll get into all of that later. I just really wanted to see if this really works. All right, so I think I'm gonna just pull the hair back. I think I'm just gonna do one side at a time. So I'm gonna do this side first. So according to the video, it just says to just spray the lace. To spray the lace, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm gonna blow dry it down. So I'm gonna make sure it's where I want it. Alright, so ooh, that's pretty. It's not even misty, like it really just shoots. Ooh. Okay, y'all. Okay, this is. Alright, so let's try to blow dry it and see what we get. I'm blowing drying it on cool.
got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You play me, you play me. You my eyes before this can't be our first time. We might have been before, but still fresh in my mind. Looking for some things that I've been never. You got that shit with somebody but love for the bonfire. You my eyes before this can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I've been never can find. Oh babe, oh babe, oh yeah, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just say it, alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me? Stop it. Maintain it, safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it even.
Alright, so it said put a band on for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just put one of these bands on. Okay, band is on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been well over 10 minutes. So let's see if this works for me or not. All right. So looks pretty secure. Let me say this. My sides never stay down. I'll have to use probably like a different product to get my sides down because the way my hairline is, if y'all see this, my hair is still right here, so this part isn't gonna lay down. So I will probably most likely have to use something else just for that. But that's just the disclaimer because that's just how my hairline is. Like right here, you still see I have hair. And even if I do push it back with some gel, get it flat, I'm still gonna have hair right here. So I always have a problem with my wig sticking down on the sides. But it's on. It's on. Don't worry about how the hairline looks. Like I told y'all, this is like one of my very old wigs. But I mean, so far so good. I feel like it's doing what it's advertised. You know, it's on there. It's on there. It's on there, so honestly, I'm just trying to decide how I want to wear my hair now. But I like this. Definitely took about 2.5 weeks to get, because like I said, they were sold out. So again, this is what it looks like. So I think we good to go. I think I might just let it just be like a free part where it's just like whatever. I kind of like this bushy kind of look, but I might still just flat on it to just tame it a little bit. But yeah, I like it. I'm gonna try it out again with another wig, so we'll see. I might try it with one of my good wigs and see how it holds up. But yeah, I like it. But guys, if you're interested, I would definitely leave all the information down in the description box below. If you have tried this wig or you know anything that's similar to this, definitely let me know in the comments below. I definitely want to engage with you guys. But yeah, Labadi here, lace filter. Go ahead and cop it. Again, it's on TikTok as well. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It is extremely appreciated. And I'll see you guys.